Welcome to the U.S. Naval Academy Formation Command Tutorial. Now that you have mastered captaining a single vessel, it's time for you to learn how to command a group of ships. For this tutorial, you have been entrusted with 2 ships, your Clemson-class destroyer, plus a modern Atlanta-class light cruiser. This arrow here indicates that you have extra units to switch to. You can switch between your units by using the unit cycle controls. Try switching to the Atlanta-class cruiser now. Good. Another way you can switch between units is by positioning the crosshair over a friendly unit and pressing the Jump To control. Try doing this now. Excellent. When you have multiple units under your control, you can join them together into a formation. To join a ship to another, position the crosshair over the other ship and press the Move To button. Join the Clemson to the Atlanta now. Well done. When you join 2 ships together, you will see the formation bar. Now this shows you how many and what types of ships are in the formation. The highlighted icon represents the ship you are controlling, while the topmost icon represents the formation leader, which in this case is the Atlanta. If an icon has a gold border, then that ship is the key unit, and you will fail the mission if it sinks. The formation bar closes down after a few seconds to be replaced by an indicator arrow pointing up. This shows you that your current ship is part of a formation. Try switching between formation members now. Excellent. You are now in command of the formation leader. From here, you can access the formation screen, which allows you to customize the position your units are in. Access the formation screen now. This screen shows how the formation is arranged around the leader. The formation leader is highlighted in white, while the ship highlighted in yellow is the one whose position you can change. If you have multiple follower ships, you can change between them with the cycle unit controls. To change the ship's position in the formation, move the positional marker to the place where you want the ship to move to. When you're happy with your changes, press the Accept button to confirm and exit the screen. Try repositioning your ship now. Well done. Now, to get the Clemson to move into its new position, the formation itself must be moving also. So, let's get the Atlanta underway and see this happening. Excellent. The Clemson is now moving to its new position in the formation. There is one more lesson to learn, and that is how to get a ship to leave formation. This can be achieved in multiple ways. One way is to give a follower ship a direct order, such as a move or attack command. However, you can also use the command menu to order a ship to leave a formation. Let's try this now. First, switch to the Clemson. Now, open the command menu and select the Leave command to order the Clemson to leave the formation. Outstanding! For the formation leader, the Leave command changes to Disband, which completely breaks up the formation. Congratulations! You have now completed the Formation Command Tutorial. Dismissed!